Hello everyone, today I will show you a wonderful website which is very useful if you are a UI UX designer or a graphic designer. There are so many times we are work for our client for their project, and after complete or finish the design of the client requirement, then we need client feedback. But if you are weak in English speaking, or if your client weak in English speaking, mm, then that will be a very problem for both of you, your client and for you. But in by this website you can get feedback from your client. Specifically, the website is redpen.io. So when you came to this website, you will see this type of interface, and you have to sign up this website. So by clicking here, so I am clicking it. So I just click this button, and it's loading. So here you see three submit option here. Here you see what's your name, so you have to give your name. Suppose my name is Abdul Khalek, so I am typing my name, and second is this is my mail. I just use this mail as my mail. And here you see you have to give your password, so I am giving my password like this. Okay, I'm giving my password, and after sign up in this website you will see this type of interface. Here you have to upload your design image file. So I am just clicking this area, and after a few times later you will see your uh, design locations. So from that area, from this you have to upload your design. So suppose this is my design. Okay, suppose this is my design, so I am uploading it. Okay, it will take some times to upload, so I am just waiting for that. Okay, in the meantime, I will say you, if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel. This is actually my new channel, so I need your support, guys. Feel free to share your feedback, and share this YouTube channel with your friends and family. So this is actually your design, I think. Actually uh, this is very big image, that's why this looks like that. So for this I have to uh, upload another one. So I'm just to delete this image, and I have to uh, upload a small image. Okay, I am uploading this image. Okay, it will take some times to upload. Okay, my design uploaded. Okay, right, and then you can give your project or design title, and here you have to uh, give your project descriptions. So I am just keep skipping it. So after that you have to click share with your colleagues. Okay, I'm clicking it and copy this link. So I am just copy this link like this, and copy this link. And after that, if you give this link uh, to your client, they will see your, couldn't find anything for that. Why? What's the problem behind it? I don't know about that. Actually, this will not happen. Okay, okay, I'm just copy the link and paste here. Okay, here you see, when your client paste your link in their browser, they will see like this. And if your client wanted to improve or give feedback in your design, they will just click here. Suppose your client wanted to change the color of this button, so they click here and type change the color, and after that they will click post this comment like this. And in this area, client have to give a email. Client give their email and save and post comment, then client comment will post. So I'm just if is skipping this part, so I'm back. I'm backing it. So again I am uh, going to in that link. So in this way client can give your give client feedback in your design. So client can specifically give feedback in your design like this. Just click any area of this image, like if he need uh, any other specification, they can just click this area and type rating or feedback or add to cart or wish list and any other things. So here you see, if client need to change this model image, they will say, or they will comment in this area, change the model image like this and post this comment. If client sign up in this website already, they just post this comment and cliented comment will be posted here. And after that you will see here in your Redpen account, you will see client uh, gave their comment. So in this way uh, you can take feedback from on your design from your client. So that's all about our today's video. Thank you very much.